First of all, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First, before going to start, I would like to say our schools are closed, but still we are getting education through this online platform. So students, before going to start our mathematics lecture, which is of fifth standard, I would like to first introduce myself as well as our officers. My name is Ramnath Soltikhe. My school name is Shodi Crossroad Mumbai Public School. For today's online class, the team which is working behind this online class, I would like to say thanks to our administrative officer, Veena Sonawne madam, nodal bit officer, Sharad Kurade sir, nodal HM, Mary Pushpa Paul madam, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand madam, and PNO, Mr. Ratilal Kishan. Students, today,
Yes, sir.
before going to start the lecture in mathematics, we should know about today's thought. So here, today's thought is confidence does not mean it is right. It means not afraid.
You are not afraid to be wrong.
Very good. Everybody is having confidence, but
Yes.
we should find our confidence. And confidence means it is not always right. You are all right. It
Yes.
means you are not afraid about the wrong things. Means you will protect yourself from the wrong things. So with this good thought, we begin our lecture. Students, whatever the picture you are seeing here,
Yes.
tell me what is it?
Pumpkin.
It's a picture of pumpkin. Okay. Students, can you tell me what is this?
Pumpkin slice.
Slice of pumpkin. Okay, slice of pumpkins or pieces of pumpkins.
Yes.
Good. So what is it?
Cake.
Okay, it is a cake. Can you tell me what do you see here in this cake? Is this
Fla
cake divided into some
yes,
parts?
divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts divide.
Okay, this cake is divided into 10 equal
Parts.
parts. So can you tell me what do we call to parts of a whole thing? What do we call to this in mathematics? When we divide,
Addition. Division.
okay, it is addition, division. Okay, it is not addition and division. But I am asking about if I divide a whole part into the equal part, that time what do we call to it?
Fractions.
Yes, you are right. You can say it.
Fraction.
It's a fraction.
Means 10 parts are there and
Yes.
1 parts are missing. So 1 upon 10 means
Okay,
पहले 10 parts थे और हमने एक part खा लिया तो
Okay.
फिर 1 upon 10.
Okay, so here just I wanted to ask you that in mathematics we call it is a fraction. So
Yes.
students, as you studied about fraction in the fifth standard or in the fourth standard as well as in the fifth standard also, we
Addition
are
of
going to see addition of fraction. What we are going to learn today?
fraction.
Fraction. You people are familiar with addition of different numbers, means you know addition of
Yes.
integers, addition of negative numbers, positive numbers. Okay,
Yes.
but students, today we are going to learn about addition of fraction. But before going to learn about addition of fraction, we should know what is
What is a fraction?
so can you tell me what is fraction?
One whole. So one
Yes.
one part are a white hole, but one part are shaded, and
Okay.
another part is not shaded. So 2 upon 1.
Okay, I'll just clear this thing to you. What is fraction?
Yes.
Okay, just wait. Now, here,
Yes.
when you observe this circle, can you tell me how many parts are shaded over here
1 parts are shaded.
and how many equal parts are there?
2 parts.
Okay. So, out of two equal parts, how many are shaded?
1.
One. Means what do we call to this part?
1/2.
Or you can say it is
1
half.
half.
You can say just half.
Half.
Okay.
Half part.
And if you want to show this part into fraction, which is unshaded, so you can say it is also 1/2.
2.
Means how many two half parts are here?
1.
How many half parts are here in this circle?
Half part only.
There are two parts. Okay,
Yes.
there are two parts.
1
Means one is
shaded.
colored and other one is what? It is not colored.
Color.
Okay. Now just think about this circle. How many equal parts are there?
4 parts are equal.
Four parts are okay there. Which are divided means this circle is divided into four equal parts.
2/4.
Now out of these four parts, tell me how many parts are colored?
2 parts are colored.
So that I have to write here. So this circle is divided into four equal parts, and out of four equal parts, two parts are colored. So I can show this into the fraction, that is 2/4.
Hmm.
Now, if you think about this circle is divided into how many equal parts?
4/4. No. Divide into 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 parts are equal and
Yes. And out
4
of
parts are shaded.
how many are shaded?
4.
Four are shaded. So students, you have to remember one thing here. There was one circle which I can divide into two equal parts. I can divide into four equal parts. I can divide that circle into eight equal parts. Okay. Fraction means what? There is a denominator as well as what is there? Numerator. What is there?
Numerator. Numerator.
Yes. Now see this screen. If you people are having one dairy milk or a chocolate, and if you divide this into two equal parts, it means that what do we call to this part?
1/2. 1/2.
No,
Half.
no. The reading of this is what 1/2, or you can say it is half.
Half.
You
So
can
can I say
yes, beta. Tell me about this.
1 is numerator and
Yes.
2 is denominator.
Yes.
Because 2 is bigger than 1 and bigger number is denominator and small number is numerator. My name is Shamika.
These things, yes, okay, Shamika, these things never happen in every case. Means denominator is not always greater than numerator. Remember this thing. Okay. You have to just check out which number is there above the line. Okay, that is what? Numerator. And which number is there just below the line? That is what? Your denominator. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see here is an apple. If I make this apple into four equal parts, and if I take only one part, so that part is called what here?
1/4.
1/4, or you can say a quarter. What you can say?
Quarter.
A
quarter.
quarter. Meaning of a is what? Only one.
Yes.
Okay, a quarter, or you can say 1/4. Now students, after this, here you can see how to show a diagram which is colored into the fraction. Now Shamika, tell me how many equal parts are there?
2 equal parts.
So 2 will be what your
2
denominator.
denominator.
And how much colored parts are there?
1
So that will be what?
numerator.
Numerator. What about this?
4 parts equal.
4 parts are there. How many colored parts are there?
1
1. So what will be your fraction?
1 upon 4.
1
1 is
upon 4. What about this?
3 equal parts.
3 equal parts are there. Out of 3 equal parts, how many are colored?
1
So 1 will be your numerator.
numerator
Will
and
come above the line. And 3
3
will
is
be your
denominator.
denominator, which will come below the line. Okay. Now you can see this diagram also. There are 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, how many are colored?
3
3 are colored. So what is your fraction?
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4. Very good. After this, you should know what is fraction actually. Now students, just listen very carefully what I am telling to you. Fraction means what? A fraction is a number that describes a relation between a part. A part means which is the numerator, and the whole. Whole means which represent denominator. Students, you have to remember one thing. When there is 3 upon 5, 5 is your denominator, 3 is your numerator, but the line which is in between 3 and 5, that
Upon
is what?
fraction.
It is fraction bar, or you can say it is vinculum.
Yes.
What is it?
Fraction bar.
Or vinculum.
Vinculum.
Okay? Vinculum.
Vinculum.
Okay.
A
So this is,
fraction is a number
yes. It is a number which is
that
having
describes
relation between parts and whole. Means part comes in the numerator and whole comes in the denominator.
denominator.
Okay. Now in fraction, fractions are there of different types.
Yes, proper
Okay.
fraction, improper
Just a minute.
fraction, mixed
Just a minute.
fraction.
Just a minute. It is what? Proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Now, Shamika, the
Yes.
doubt which you are having, I am going to clear that.
Yes.
Proper fraction means what? A fraction which is having a denominator which is greater than numerator.
Yes, sir.
That is what proper fraction means. Numerator is always smaller than denominator. That time it is called proper fraction. Now in this proper fraction, we are going to learn 2 types of fraction. One is like fraction, another one is unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
Okay. Now improper fraction means what? A fraction is having denominator which is greater than which is smaller than numerator, or you can say numerator is equal, sometime it is greater than denominator. Improper fraction means what? A numerator is greater than denominator, or sometime it is equal to the denominator.
Yes, sir.
And the third type is what? Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction means what? Very simple concept is this. You have to remember one thing. In the mixed fraction, always whole number comes with the fraction. What comes with the fraction?
Always whole in the fraction.
Yes, whole number comes with the fraction. Means a fraction which is consist of whole number. That is what? Here you can see simple fraction example 5 upon 6. Means your denominator is greater than numerator. Now in this case, you can see
8 upon
numerator
6.
is smaller than
Numerator. Denominator smaller than numerator.
denominator is smaller than
Numerator.
and you can say numerator 8 is greater than denominator 6. And in this case, here you can say whole means what? A complete circle is there, which is colored. So that is what one complete circle is there. And what about fraction 2 upon 6 means out of 6 parts, there are 2 color.
Two parts are shaded and 6 parts are altogether 6 parts, equal parts 6.
So how many types of fraction we have seen just now?
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. 3 fractions.
Okay, and in proper fraction, how many types are there?
Numerator smaller than the
Types of
denominator.
fraction- Types of fraction which are there in the proper fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
Now in the like fraction and unlike fraction, what things are very important that we are going to see? In the like fraction, when there are 3 fractions like this, 1, 2, and 3. In the first case, there is 1 upon 4. In second case, there is 2
2
upon 4.
upon 4. And third is 3 upon 4.
Now, students, what similarities you can see here? All these 3 fractions are having what? Same
No.
denominator.
Yes. Same. Denominator is same.
Why denominator is same? Because each and every diagram is divided into how many equal parts?
4.
4 equal parts. So this is what like fraction. When the denominator is same, that time they are called like fraction. Now, in this case, in unlike fraction, if you see denominators, are they same here?
Huh?
Are denominators same here?
2, 3, 4.
Are they same? Are they
No.
equal?
No.
So this type of fractions are called
Different denominator.
unlike fractions. So what
Yes.
definition we can create here? A fraction which is having different denominator, they are called what? The fractions which are having different denominator, they are called unlike
fraction.
good. Now students will see addition of like fraction. Now remember one thing, whatever the things I am explaining here, they are very important. Just try to understand them and try to keep in your mind. In addition of like fraction, what you have to do? First of all, read this fraction. Shamika, read this.
Yes, 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Means 4 plus 4 into
Just wait.
8.
I said just read, not to tell answer. Okay. You just read fraction, that is what 4 upon 9
4
plus
upon 9 plus 4 upon 9.
Now we'll think about these two diagrams.
Yes.
These are the two different diagrams which are having same equal parts, but their colored parts, if you observe, they are also same here. In this case, when like fractions are there, that time what we have to do? We have to check out how many equal parts are there. So how many equal parts are there?
9.
9. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. And now in this diagram, how many equal parts are there?
9
9 equal parts.
is also right.
These two fractions are called what? Like
fraction.
Now when there are addition or there is addition of like fraction, that time what we have to do? We have to take common denominator. So which is the common denominator here?
9.
9. Now carry out addition of numerator. That is what? Plus 4.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8.
Yeah, don't carry out multiplication. 4 plus 4 what?
8.
8. Okay. Means the fraction will be what? 8 upon
9.
9. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. After this, beta, please mute your mic. Okay. Now carry out addition of these two like fractions. Now what is the like fractions are here? 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. When we
1
carry out
upon 9.
addition of these two fractions, that time what we have to do? We have to write common denominator just below the 9. Means like this. And what are the numerator here?
1 plus 4.
It is 1 and 4. So I have to carry out addition of numerator. When you will add 1 plus 1 with the 4, what will come?
5.
5. And denominator will remain
9. 9.
as it is. That is 9. So what is your answer? 5 upon
5 upon 9.
9. Now take down other example of like fraction. Carry out this. What is the first thing? You have to write common denominator here.
7 upon 27 and 9 upon 27.
And what is the addition of 7 and 9?
7 and 9, 9.
7 plus 9, how much?
16.
16. So what is your fraction here?
16 upon 27.
On 27. Now students, whatever the step which we have seen, we'll see one by one. Okay, now we are carrying out addition of like fraction. We'll see the first example here. Just look what I'm doing here. First of all, you have to carry out addition of
Numerator.
And whatever the denominator is there, because same denominators are there. So we have to take common denominator, that is 7.
7.
Now what is 4 plus 2?
6.
6. And what will be the denominator?
7.
So what is the answer of this?
6 upon 7.
It is 6 upon 7. After this, we'll see this one. Now, what I have to do? Carry out addition of
numerator.
And just below it, what I have to write?
Same. Denominator same. 4.
Which is common. Okay. Because denominators are same. What is the denominator?
4. Yes, sir.
What is the denominator?
4.
4. Now, carry out addition of numerator. 2 plus 3, how much?
5.
And what will be the denominator?
4.
So, what is the answer of this addition?
5 upon 4.
Now, take down other one. Yes, Shamika.
Yes,
what
sir.
I have to do first?
2 upon 5.
No. I have to carry out addition of
Numerator.
2 plus 2. Then what I have to do?
Plus into 2 plus 2, 4. And denominator same. Common.
So take common denominator. What is the common denominator here?
5.
5. Now, carry out addition of numerator. 2 plus 2?
4. 4 upon 5.
5. So what is the answer of this?
4 upon 5.
Is it clear to you how to carry out addition of like fraction?
Yes.
Okay, now see other one. Now just observe. Both the fractions are different.
Yes.
Now in the first fraction, how many equal parts are there?
5 equal parts.
5 equal parts are there. Out of 5 parts, how many are colored?
3.
3. So what is your fraction?
3 upon 5.
Okay. 3 upon 5 plus. What is the next diagram? How many equal
Five.
parts are there?
5.
5.
5.
Okay, which are same like first
Yes.
fraction.
Yes, sir.
How many are colored?
One part are color.
So what is your fraction?
Fraction 5.
1 upon?
1 upon 5.
Okay. Now tell me what is the sum of numerator 3 and 1?
4
So that you
plus
have to write in the place of numerator.
4.
And what you have to do, take common.
A denominator common.
So what
Same
is the
word.
common denominator here?
5.
5. So what answer you have got here?
4 upon 5.
Very good. Excellent. Now after this, we are going to see the second type, addition of unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
Now in this case, you just first listen and then answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, how many fractions are there?
Two fractions.
Now read first fraction
3 upon 6
plus.
plus 5 upon 12.
Very good. Now tell me, are these two fractions are having same denominator?
No.
No. So this is called addition of unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
So student, what you have to do
Yes.
in this case, that I am going to explain you. Just try to understand. Now,
Okay, sir.
see, here is 6 and here is 12. I have to make same denominator, or you can say I have to make equal denominator. Now I can convert this 6 into what?
6 into 12.
12. How? Just look at the screen. Now you can see here, this green part is divided into how many parts?
6.
No, how many
1.
equal parts?
1 upon 12.
How many total parts? How many total parts are there? Okay, there are,
1.
see, just 12 parts are there. How many parts are there?
12.
12 parts are there. Now in this case also, if I make this into 12 equal parts, okay, 12 equal parts. So how many total equal
16.
parts are there?
16.
About this one, I'm asking about this one.
This
How
one.
many total equal parts are there?
3. 3.
No, there are 12 equal parts. Okay, so what I have done, I have divided a box into two parts. Means I have multiplied this 6 into what? I have multiplied this 6 by what? 2.
2.
6 to the how much?
6 to the 12.
6 to the
12.
12. And 3 to the how much?
6.
6. So what is my fraction here?
6 and 12.
That is 6 upon
12.
12. Now, did I get equal denominator?
Yes.
What I have done here, I have multiplied both
Multiplied
the numerator and denominator by
2.
2 for getting denominator as a 12. Okay, now
Two.
carry out addition of this. 6 plus 5.
6 plus 5. 11.
And what is the common denominator here, which we have got here?
12.
12. Now students, in this case, we have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Then only you can add. Now just see the steps. Now there is addition of unlike fraction. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. So when there are different denominators, that time we have to make same denominator. So in this case, I have to find out common denominator. With this 3, I have to multiply by 6. And with the 6, I have to multiply by 3.
3.
3 6 are how much?
3 6. 3 1 0 6 3 0 9 3 4 0 3 6.
18.
Yes. 3 1
And
6 1 0 6
3
6
is how
0
much?
6 18. Huh?
18.
18.
So did I get 18 as a common denominator?
Yes. No common denominator. No.
Common 18 is not common denominator. They are
Yes.
not same. They are not same.
Same.
Okay. So
Common
1
denominator.
6 are how much?
1 6. 6.
And 1 3 are how much?
3.
Okay. As you will convert unlike fraction into like fraction, that time add numerator.
Yes.
That is 6 plus 3. And what is the common denominator here?
Common denominator. The 18.
18. So that you have to write. 6 plus 3, how much?
18. Sorry, 6 plus 3. 10.
Now you're carrying out addition.
See.
6 plus 3 is what?
9.
9.
9. 9.
And write this 18 as a denominator.
Yes.
Okay. So this is your answer. So
9
students,
upon 18.
you have to convert this fraction into simplest form. In the
Yes, sir.
simplest form. If I divide
Yes.
this 9 by 3, 3 3s
Yes.
are
3 3 is a 9.
okay. Or you can divide both the numerator and denominator by 9.
9.
9 ones are
9.
and 9 twos are
18.
18.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can do like this also.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. After this, now check out how to carry out addition of unlike fraction. First of all, you have to convert denominator into what? Same,
Denominator.
yes, same denominator. Now, you just see here, if I divide this 12 by 5, 12 5s are how much?
4. 4 5s are 60.
12 5s are 60.
12 60.
And if I divide this 20 by 3,
60.
so what I'm getting here?
60.
60 as a common
Same.
or same denominator.
Yes.
So you can just check here. If I multiply 12 by 5, I will get 60 as a denominator. But students, remember one thing. When we divide denominator, that time we have to multiply numerator also by the same number. By the
12 5 60.
same number. Means 5 multiple by 5 upon 12 multiple by 5 plus, now by which number we have divided this 20?
3.
3. So I have to multiply 3 with 20 also and with 1 also.
1 also.
Okay. So if I multiply 5 with 5, 5 5 is how much?
5 5s are 25.
And 12 5 is how much?
12 5s are 60.
Plus. Now 1 3 is how much?
1 3s are 3.
And 23 is how much?
16.
Now carry out addition of these two
25
numerators,
plus.
25 plus 3, and
Yes.
take down 60 as a common denominator because both the fractions are having same denominator. After this, 25 plus 3, how much?
28.
And what is the denominator?
60.
Now students, remember one thing. When you will get answer like this, you can convert this into which form?
Simple.
Simplest form. Means you have to divide both the numbers by same number.
Same number.
Now, if I divide this 28 By what?
28.
Uh,
28 numerator.
no. If I divide this 28 and 60,
7 upon 15.
15. So now you can check
Addition.
addition of unlike fraction, or you can carry out addition of unlike fraction when there are three fractions. So what you have to do, you have to convert denominator into what? Like or same denominator. You have to convert denominator into same denominator. For that purpose, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by such a number which will give you same denominator. After this, tell me in this which are the unlike fractions.
Unlike fraction. First one.
Okay.
Unlike fraction.
Again, what about
And
this?
third one, fourth one.
Okay, third one and fourth one. What about
Yes.
this?
This is like fraction.
This is like fraction. Now, students, you should know how to convert fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, because we are going to learn about addition of mixed fraction. When fraction is like this 7 upon 3, that time how to convert this into the mixed fraction? First of all, you carry out division, that is 7 divided by 3.
7 divided by
3. If I divide this 7 by 3 in the table of 3, means which is the number which is near to 7 in the table of 3? 3
21.
1 is 3, 3 2 is
6.
3 2 is 6. Okay. Now, this 2 means what? A question which we have got here, that is 2. And this 1 is what? Our remainder. And this 3 is what? Our denominator. Means when you divide a numerator by denominator, whatever the question comes, that is your whole number. Whatever is the remainder, that is your numerator.
Numerator.
By whichever number you are dividing, that is what your denominator.
Denominator.
Okay. So in this way, you can convert a fraction into which fraction?
Huh?
Mixed
Like
fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Okay. So tell me in the table of 2.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20.
Better have patience.
Yes, sir.
When you divide this 9 by 4, tell me in the table of 4, which number is there which comes near to 9? 4 ones are
Means
4.
4 nines are
You have to divide 9 by 4. In the table of 4, which number is there which is near to 9 and smaller
8.
than 9? 8. So when it is coming? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos
4
are,
twos are 8.
so that you have to write here. When you subtract 8 from 9, what will remain?
8, 4, 9 subtraction. 1.
So 1 will be your numerator.
Yes. A
Whatever
denominator.
the denominator is there, you have to write as it is.
Yes.
This
I
is the mixed
understood.
fraction. Okay, or you can convert this mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, you have to carry out multiplication of whole number and denominator. Means 3 multiple by 5 plus this numerator. And what is the denominator here? 3.
Denominator 3.
Now 3 5s are how much?
3 fives are 69. 5 3s are 15. So 3 5s are 15.
Plus this 2. 15 plus 2 how much?
17.
And this denominator will come as it is. So this is the way to carry out or to convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Now
Fraction.
we'll see addition of mixed fraction. We'll see addition of mixed fraction. When we carry out addition of mixed fraction, that time we have to multiply this denominator with the whole number. 5 ones are how much?
5 ones are 5.
Okay. 5 ones are 5. Plus, what is the numerator here?
Numerator 3. No.
So 5
3.
plus 3 how much?
8.
8. And what is the denominator here?
Denominator 5.
So write that 5 as it is. Plus, now tell me 2 to the
2 to the 4.
plus 1.
5.
So what will be your numerator here?
5.
And what is your denominator here?
2.
Now, here we have got mixed fraction into fraction. Now, both the fractions are having different denominator.
Yes.
What you have to do, you have to convert this denominator into same denominator. Now, if I multiply this 5 by 2 and this 2 by 5, what I will get? 2 5s are how much?
2 5s are 10.
10. And 5 2s are how much?
5 2s are also 10.
So I'm getting here same denominator. So I have to multiply 5 by 2 and I have to multiply 2 by 5
5.
for getting 10 as a denominator. Now here I have got 10 as a common denominator. Now tell me, what is the addition of 16 plus 25?
30.
16 plus 25.
Addition. 41.
41. So here I am getting fraction 41 upon 10. Now, as I told you, how to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Now, students, divide this 41 by 10. 10, how many is a 40?
Huh?
10, how many is a 40?
10 how many? 40. 10 4s are 40.
Very good. Now, carry out this subtraction. 1 minus 0. It will come 1. 4 minus 4. It will come 0. Now, tell me, what is the whole number here?
4.
So, that will come here. What is the remainder here?
1.
That will come in the numerator.
Yes.
And what is the divisor here?
10.
So that will come in the place of
Denominator.
So in this way you can convert this. Or you can see how to carry out addition of this. Now Shamika, read the addition of fraction.
1 upon 2
No,
plus
I'm asking read this.
what?
This one.
Okay, sir. 9. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4.
Wrong. I will tell you how to read this. It is 9 and 1 upon 2 plus 5 and 3 upon 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So as I told you, convert this into mixed fraction. Convert this into the fraction because it is already in the mixed fraction. Now, Shamika, tell me,
Yes, sir.
2 9s are how much?
2 9s are
Yes,
18.
18. Plus this numerator, 1,
1. 19.
19. So write here 19. And denominator will come as it is. That is 2.
2.
Please. Now 4 5s are how much?
4 5s are
Yes.
20.
Plus this 3, which is in the numerator.
23.
So 23 will be your numerator. Okay. After converting this mixed fraction into fraction, now check out their denominator. Are they same?
No.
No. Now convert this into the same denominator.
Same
So
denominator.
there is no need to multiply this 4 because in the table of 2, 4 comes. When it comes, 4 to the,
Four.
sorry, 2 to the how much?
4.
4. So I have to multiply this 2 and this 19 by 2.
2.
Now if I multiply this 2 by 2, 2 to the how much?
4.
And 19 to the how much?
6. 38.
38. Plus, write this 23 upon 4 as it is. Now, if I add 38 and 23, what I will get?
38 and 23. 61.
61. And what is this common denominator here?
Same denominator.
That is what? 4.
4.
Now convert this fraction into mixed fraction. How to convert? Divide this 61 by,
1 minute, sir, your voice is not coming.
divide this 61 by 4. 4 ones are 4.
4 2s are 8.
Wait. Divide this 61 by 4. If I divide this 6 by 4, so in the table of 4, which is the
4
number
1s are 4.
which comes near to 6? That is 4. That is 4 ones are 4. Now subtract 4 from 6. 2 will come. Write this 1 here. That is 21. Now divide this 21 by what? 4.
21 4.
Now in the table of 4, which is the number which is near to 21?
Near to 20 and 20.
So when it is coming?
4.
5. 4 5s are
20.
20. So 1 minus 0 is what? 1. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Now students, tell me what is the whole number here?
15.
So you have to write here. What is the numerator here?
Numerator 5. No, 1.
Because remainder is 1, it will come here numerator. And what is the divisor here?
Divisor. 2 minutes.
4.
4.
That you have to write here. So in this way, you can carry out addition of mixed number. Now just we'll solve this example. Now tell me, 8
Yes, sir.
multiple by 5 plus 1 upon 8. 8 5s are how much?
8 5s are
Yes,
40.
40.
Yes.
Okay. Plus 1.
41.
So what will come? 41 upon 8. Now 6 3s are
6 1 6 18.
18 plus 5.
18 plus 5. 22. 23.
It is 23. So once you convert this one
Yes,
into
sir.
the fraction, now check out their denominator. Are they same?
No.
No. So just see how to convert this denominator into same. So I have to write this as it is, and now tell me, in the table of 8 and 6, which is the number which is
8
common?
and
If I multiply this 8 by 3, what will come?
8 by 3.
Yes,
20. 26.
wrong. It is 24.
Oh,
And if I multiply this 6 by what?
6.
4.
4.
What I will get? 24.
सर्वांनी युनिफॉर्म घातले. Yes.
Okay. So now
त्यांनी
tell me,
nails नाही
41 threes are how much?
Yes, sir.
41 threes are how much?
41 threes are.
Yes. It is 123.
इतना गणित नहीं आता.
And 8 threes are how much?
8 threes are 24.
Now 23 multiplied by 4, how much?
Huh?
It is 92. And 6 fours are how much? It is 24. Now
Yes.
students tell me, are denominator same here?
Yes, sir.
Now once you will convert unlike denominator into like, that time you have to carry out addition of this. 123 plus 92, how much? It is what? 215. And what is the same denominator here? 24. So in this way, you can carry out addition of mixed number. Now students will take evaluation. We'll see the first one. Here, there is mixed number, that is 1.5 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. Now convert this into fraction. Means you have to write like this: 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. Here you can write 1 also and here 2. Now once you will find out multiplication of this, 1 2s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now write this denominator as it is. Now 2 4s are how much? It is 8 plus 3, it is 11 upon what? 2. Once you will convert this mixed fraction into fraction, check out their denominator. If they are same, carry out the addition of numerator. If they are not same, that time you convert denominator into like or same denominator. So here there is no need to multiply this 4, just multiply this 2 by 2 for getting 4 as a denominator. If I multiply this numerator, that is 3 multiplied by 2, I will get 6. And if I multiply 2 multiplied by 2, I will get here 4. So here I am getting 4 as a common denominator. Now carry out addition of numerator. 6 plus 11 and write down 4 as a common denominator. 6 plus 11 is what? 17. And what is the denominator? 4. So in this way, you can carry out addition of unlike fraction or mixed fraction. Now students, tell me what is the answer of this? Can anybody say? Okay, beta, just carry out addition of the numerators here. Write numerator as it is. Carry out addition of numerator 9 plus 4. So what is the addition of 9 plus 4? That is 13. And 9 will come as it is. So again you can carry out addition of unlike fraction. In this you have to convert unlike denominator into like. Means you have to multiply this 3 by 4 and this 4 by what? By 3. 2 4s are what? It is 8. And 3 4s are what? It is 12. 3 3s are what here? 9. And 4 3s are what here? 12. Now I have got here 12 as a common denominator. So that 12 I'll take here. And I'll carry out addition of 8 and 9. So if I add 8 with 9, I will get here 17 and denominator will come 12. So students, in this way you can carry out. Now I'm giving you homework. Okay. So as you will go to your home, you just carry out addition of like fractions as well as addition of mixed fraction and then addition of unlike fraction. So you can take screenshot of these. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now, thank you.